Solution to E2 alarm. After the ice maker is powered on, it displays an E2 alarm and does not make ice. Unplug the power cord, remove the back panel and front panel. Cut the cable tie on the protective foam, remove the hot melt adhesive securing the probe, pull out the probe. Replace with a new evaporator probe wire. Insert the new probe, insert the other end into the corresponding port on the mainboard. Secure the protective foam, secure the wires and reinstall the black mainboard cover. Use cable ties to secure the wire ends of all components to prevent them from tangling. Put on the wiring box cover. Put on the back panel and tighten the screws.